I could give the baby panda for a present. Kutoshie.
Super idea, Rintu!
I know where we can get tiger shoes. There's a shoe store over there on that island.
Yes! But that's really far away. And we have to be at the party by sundown so we can find out the baby panda's name.
Yeah, we can't be late.
How will we make it to that island and back to Panda Village by sundown?
I know. We can take a boat. Do you see a boat anywhere? Yeah, over there. Awesome!
We can take a boat to the island.